Hey guys, what's going on? On today's menu, I thought we would try to hop on the bandwagon here and do some banana chocolate chip bread. So let's get it. It is a very simple recipe. I've never done it myself, so I can't really say. I chose a tasty recipe, which I'll put in the link below. Still not getting this right. Below. All right, let's just get started. So you need 3 ripe bananas. Like that, like so. Have you seen Tabitha Brown? She's amazing. So you want to kind of break it into little chunks so it's easier for you to mash. You want to kind of mush it, like just mush it. So then you have chunks, and so it creates some texture. Oh boy, this is horrible. So now you need a butter stick. You need 1/3 of a cup. And then mix it all up. Add some sugar, add 1 beaten egg, and then add some vanilla. Okay, you need a little bit more vanilla than that. Hell yeah. Baking soda. Does anyone use baking soda like we do? Okay, that's a little bit too much. Alright, put some back in. Don't forget to add salt for taste. And last, we are adding flour. So let's mix this bad boy up. Let's see how it looks. Mix it all up. So guys, it's looking so good. The house isn't burnt down yet. I'm pretty happy. It's still intact. You can see that there's like little chunks. Oh my god, the lighting killed me. See little chunks? How I wanted it. The biggest finale is adding how much chocolate chip you want. If it was up to me, I would do the whole bag. However, we on a diet. Hot girl summer is still here. So let's do half a bag. JK, 1/4 of the bag. Oh, we'll see how it goes. Maybe need to add more chocolate chip. I used to always want like a little easy bake oven, but you know, I never got one. It was kind of like people telling me, you know, Mies, you don't need to bake. We'll bake for you, you know? Like, go find a husband who can cook. Perfect, what a great idea. Why do I need a cook? So, without further ado, this looks good. So, but I think I should add more. Any sweet tooth out there? Oh, maybe I'll add some on top. But it looks like this. Look how yummy that looks. Oh. Okay, so I believe I'm going to, I'm gonna put it in one of these. I was just talking about my shorts because my shorts are literally from Ardeen, like 10 years ago. And I was like, it's still in mint condition. I could still wear it, right? It's not like I grew, but I think I'm gonna use this. So there's more layers, or maybe I should do this because it's pretty big. Teemo, are you okay? So Teemo just had surgery today. It's his 2nd time. I don't know if you dog owners go through this, but little dog are prone to have gingivitis. And I believe, from what I remember, like Googling it, it's like a disease on their gums. And it's his 2nd surgery in 2 years. And I don't think that's a good, good sign. He's 8 years old this year. God forbid something happens. Okay, I decided I'm gonna use this one. And he's not doing so well. He's a trooper though, so I'll tell him that. He's doing pretty good. He has stitches in his mouth, and honestly, the vet was pretty good, but those are just so expensive. I think I spent more than $1,500 for his surgery alone, as well as like the anesthetics, the post medication and all that, which I'll show you guys once I pop this baby in the oven. I'm gonna make it look extra cool with some of this. Ba-bam. So it actually looks like this. Actually, I'll just do this. But I'm gonna add a little bit more so it looks cute. Want some bread? Holla at your girl. We'll do a swap. Give me some of that bread, I'll give you some of this bread. Don't forget to put a timer, because I always forget to put a timer, and I'm probably have burnt more than 10 pizza in my life. Waste of money, waste of electricity, waste of food in general. So please put on a timer. Oh, look at my house, it's so crazy. So when that bad boy is in the fridge, feel free to do whatever you want to do for the next hour. Right now, I'm gonna show you how my dog looks. Oh, hi baby. So I guess that's where they put the IV in, and he's licking it. You don't want that. And there you go. Can I see your teeth? Can I see your teeth? Ooh. Can I see? So they took like some of his canine. Oh, they did. Oh my god. Ah, he has nothing left. Only has something. Oh, my poor baby. And then there's Otis. You want to see Otis' smile? It's like the funniest smile ever. Otis, can I see? Otis, can I see? Okay. Okay, let's show the world your teeth. Come on, boy. Okay, fine. And that's it. Look at all Teemo. Teemo's 8 years old. Can you believe it? He's a little puppy. He like got out, and I was like, oh my god, you look like you just got out of rehab. Right, Teemo? You look like you got out of rehab. It's so funny how we talk to our animals like that, right? We always like pitch our voice higher. Like they're babies and they understand what we're saying, and we're like, oh my god, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And I have no idea why we do that. Guys, I put it on for 45 minutes. It's down to 2 minutes and 56 seconds. And oh my god, it looks so good. Holy, I outdone myself. This bad boy looks so good. Just need it to pass the toothpick test. And clearly not. So we're gonna put it on for another 10 minutes. All right guys, so after an hour and a little bit of cooling, about like 5 minutes, it looks like this. It looks pretty similar to the photo, right? And the ultimate test is always gonna be the taste test. So let's get this boogie on. Hopefully it's not melted inside and it looks okay, because when I put the fork in, it looked pretty good. So I think you cut bread like this. Oh, it is pretty okay, I guess. I think you want it moistly, so. And when I put that on a little plate here, I put a lot of chocolate in here, so it has to taste good, right? I think I should let this cool down a little bit. Oh, do you see the steam? Check out the steam. Can you see it? Oh yeah, awesome. Okay, it looks like it's cooked. Haha, very hot. All right, guys. Not so bad for your first time, eh? Not too shabby. Can you even see like some of the chunks of the banana? Camera, focus. Focus, camera. Okay, whatever. Mmm. Voila, here we go. We got our banana bread. So if you guys decide on making some bread, tag me in it. I want to see. Send me your address so I'm gonna come and pick it up curbside. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.